Good evening, YouTube family. Ordered some stuff, model train stuff. Let's see what I got. It's always fun to open packages. Okay, first, let me put my glasses on because, Okay, first thing, here's a box from Steve's Hobbies. I'm Steve, and these are my hobbies. All right, I think this is the eBay order, but let me check. All right. Newspaper. Hey, I ordered newspaper. Thanks, Steve. All right, what I think this is I ordered some Intermountain. Yep, that's it. Intermountain 36-inch metal wheel sets because I have some Atlas rolling stock, in-scale rolling stock that has plastic wheels. Atlas, okay, but yes. I always go with metal. Maybe you don't notice as much, but it just looks better, and the flanges are a little more prototypically accurate. So that's them. The Intermountain 36-inch metal wheel sets. There's also a scale 33-inch. But in end scale, I don't know if you can really tell. So we got that. All right, let's look at what's in this next box. Oh, Train Life. Ooh, it's always a good day when you get something from Train Life. All right, let's open that up. All right, let's get this here. Invoice. Always satisfying bubble wrap. This is it. This is the Atlas N-Scale 60-foot boxcar, which was originally produced by BLMA, Craig Martin at BLMA, and then Atlas bought out BLMA, and this is it. This is a beautiful boxcar in N-Scale, highly detailed metal wheels. So very nice. So, where did I put the, no. Oh, I'm losing my mind. I'm like, where did I put that? Okay, I have no idea what this is. This is, I'm not sure what this is, but let's see. Oh, this is a birthday gift from my wife. Never mind. So that's what we got today. I'm like, oh, I forgot. Yeah, that's my wife's birthday gift. And she is, it's her birthday today. So I'm going to wrap it up. Anyway, this is what we got in scale wheel sets and a Atlas 60-foot modern boxcar, or as it's called, the 60-foot Santa Fe Berwyn J repaint. And I give the road number. And great job, Atlas. Actually, BLMA. So that's it.